Sit all day? These hip flexor stretches are a must. Often overlooked until pain arises, the hip flexors are an area of the body that demands our attention, particularly in our sedentary lifestyles where prolonged sitting can cause them to tighten and shorten, leading to discomfort. However, there's a simple solution for those with desk jobs or extended sitting habits: stretching. Performing these easy movements can offer a much-needed stretch to the hip flexors, and the best part is, they can be done anywhere. Take your time with each stretch to maximize its benefits and ensure a thorough release of tension in the hip flexor region. Number 7. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a simple yet effective yoga sequence that can bring relief to individuals experiencing hip and back pain. This dynamic movement helps to mobilize and gently stretch the spine, making it an excellent exercise for promoting flexibility and reducing stiffness in the back and hips. The arching of the back in the cat position allows for a deep stretch and elongation, while the cow position gently extends the spine, offering a counter stretch. The rhythmic motion of transitioning between cat and cow helps to warm up the spine and increases blood flow to the area, promoting healing and alleviating discomfort. It's a beginner-friendly exercise that can be easily incorporated into a daily stretching routine or as part of a warm-up before engaging in other physical activities. Number 6. Piriformis Stretch. The Piriformis Stretch is a targeted exercise to ease hip and back pain, particularly for individuals suffering from sciatica or tightness in the buttock area. The piriformis muscle, located deep in the glutes, can sometimes compress the sciatic nerve, leading to pain and discomfort down the leg. By stretching the piriformis, the muscle tension is relieved, reducing pressure on the sciatic nerve. To perform this stretch, lie on your back with one knee bent, cross the opposite ankle over the knee, and gently pull the uncrossed leg toward your chest until you feel a comfortable stretch in your buttocks. Hold the position for about 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply throughout the stretch. Regularly incorporating the piriformis stretch into your routine can help prevent and alleviate hip and back pain associated with sciatica or tight gluteal muscles. Number 5. Hamstring Stretch. The hamstring stretch is an essential exercise for promoting flexibility and reducing hip and back pain, especially for those with tight hamstrings. Tight hamstrings can lead to an imbalance in the pelvis and contribute to lower back discomfort. To perform this stretch, lie on your back with one leg extended straight on the floor and the other raised towards the ceiling. Gently grasp the back of the elevated leg and pull it gently towards you, feeling the stretch in the back of the thigh. Be sure to keep your back flat on the floor during the stretch to avoid unnecessary strain. Hold the position for about 20 to 30 seconds on each side, breathing deeply to enhance relaxation. Regularly stretching the hamstrings can improve their flexibility, thus reducing the strain on the lower back and hips, ultimately alleviating pain and discomfort in these areas. Number 4. Hip Flexor. The hip flexor stretch is a valuable exercise for addressing hip and back pain, particularly for individuals who spend prolonged periods sitting or have tight hip flexors. These muscles can become shortened and tight, leading to discomfort and limited range of motion in the hips and lower back. To perform this stretch, kneel on one knee with the other foot forward, creating a 90-degree angle at the knee. Gently lean forward into the stretch, ensuring your hips remain squared and your back is straight. You should feel a gentle stretch in the front of the hip of the kneeling leg. Hold the position for about 20 to 30 seconds and then switch to the other side. Regularly incorporating the hip flexor stretch into your routine can help lengthen and relax these muscles, improving hip and back flexibility and potentially reducing pain and discomfort associated with tight hip flexors. Number 3. Seated forward bend. The seated forward bend, also known as Paschimottanasana in yoga, is an effective stretching exercise that targets the hamstrings and lower back. It is an excellent way to relieve tension in the muscles along the backside of the body. To perform this stretch, sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale deeply and, as you exhale, hinge at your hips to reach forward with a straight back and elongated spine. You can reach for your toes, ankles, or shins, whichever is comfortable for you. The key is to focus on lengthening the spine and keeping your shoulders relaxed. Hold the stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds while breathing deeply. Regular practice of the seated forward bend can help increase hamstring flexibility and release tightness in the lower back, making it beneficial for individuals seeking relief from hip and back pain. Number 2. Spinal Twist. The spinal twist is a gentle yet effective stretch that targets the lower back and helps relieve tension and discomfort in that area. This exercise is also known as the supine spinal twist or the lying twist. To perform this stretch, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms out to the sides in a T shape. Slowly drop your knees to one side while keeping your shoulders flat on the ground. You can turn your head to look in the opposite direction of your knees for an added neck stretch. Hold the position for about 20 to 30 seconds, feeling the gentle twist through your lower back and spine. Then, return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. The spinal twist helps to mobilize and release tension in the spine, improve flexibility, and may provide relief from hip and lower back pain, making it a valuable addition to your stretching routine. Number 1. Cobra Stretch. The Cobra Stretch, also known as Bhujangasana in yoga, is a rejuvenating exercise that targets the muscles of the chest, abdomen, and lower back. It is a gentle back bend that helps to stretch and strengthen the spine, promoting flexibility and alleviating stiffness in the back and hips. To perform this stretch, lie face down on the floor with your hands placed near your shoulders and elbows tucked close to your body. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, press your palms into the floor to lift your chest and upper body while keeping your hips and legs grounded. Your gaze can be directed slightly upward or straight ahead. Hold the Cobra pose for a few breaths, ensuring your shoulders are relaxed away from your ears. Then, slowly release back down to the floor. Incorporate regular stretching into your routine to achieve a pain-free and active life. Target neglected areas like the hip flexors and back to counteract sedentary effects. Be consistent, listen to your body, and unlock your full potential for a resilient and agile body. Embrace a vibrant life with the power of stretching. Keep stretching, keep moving, and embrace the vibrant life that awaits you. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your ideas with us. Thank you, guys, for watching.